What is going on, everyone? Stefan here from FireAlarm.com, back with yet another new service offering. Here at FireAlarm.com, you can utilize us to save big money with installing a brand new fire alarm system. Whether you're constructing a new building or completely renovating your facility or campus, FireAlarm.com can provide you with the latest tech in the fire and life safety world with the most affordable brands tailored for you specifically. No matter what, FireAlarm.com can perform fire alarm installations from start to finish. Take a look at this flowchart that outlines each step in installing a brand new fire alarm system. Let me take you through. All information on your building, including floor plans, HVAC fan types, elevator information, etc., will be the groundwork for our plans and will be outlined. Using all of your building's information that we gathered, a proposed fire alarm system will be designed and tailored specifically for you by our in-house licensed professional engineer, registered architect, or someone from our network of professionals. Our design drawings will be created and filed with your local building department and then your local fire department. FireAlarm.com will then provide a set of in-house engineered shop drawings showing how your system will be built for a particular fire alarm brand, once again tailored specifically for your needs. These engineered shop drawings will then be reviewed and approved by the engineer of record for the job, which FireAlarm.com will also be able to provide if needed. After all appropriate approvals, FireAlarm.com will begin the electrical contracting work using an electrical contractor of your choosing, or we can provide a contractor that is also a part of our network of companies. FireAlarm.com will also be able to provide fire alarm integration and provide all parts and smarts in order to complete the electrical and fire alarm install. FireAlarm.com will program, turn up, test, and commission your brand new fire alarm system. Finally, FireAlarm.com will arrange to have your system inspected and approved by your local fire department. All system filing documents and certifications will be provided to you. No matter what step of the new installation we are in, and although there are 9 steps here, there could be less or more depending on your situation. But rest assured, FireAlarm.com will hold your hand all the way through, no matter what step we're starting or ending on. FireAlarm.com is committed to providing you with an open source system so that you aren't locked into any one brand for years to come. FireAlarm.com can save you tons of money on whatever fire and life safety situation you may be tackling. Remember, you don't have to tackle these things alone because FireAlarm.com has your back. Contact us today via any of the number of methods that we can communicate, and let's get the ball rolling. Also, if you haven't seen our last video about putting your dinosaur of a fire alarm system to bed and upgrading your fire alarm system, you can check it out here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.